If this wallet isn't in your hands yet, don't click away, because by the end of this video, it will be. I'm about to show you life and step by step how I launched a meme coin that dumped real Solana into my Phantom. No coding required. But first, forget pumpfun. It's swamped with garbage tokens and zero visibility. Ready? Let's flip over to the right platform. I open Photon and switch the filter to pump.fun. Dozens of new meme coins flooding in, then disappearing in seconds. Frustrating. So I flip to Radium and instantly see just a handful of launches, each showing solid liquidity. This is where real opportunity lies, but there's a catch. Launching on Radium used to require coding. I don't code. That's when I discovered pumpzone.io. A month ago, on April 9th, I made my very first launch. Since then, I've done 21 launches. Early on, I tried pumpfun, got a few wins, but mostly wasted time on slow or sketchy platforms. Then, on April 20th, after perfecting my process, things really exploded. My first big percentage gains lit the fire under me, and when you subtract my initial liquidity, that's almost 245 Solana in total sales. At today's rate of $177 per Solana, that adds up to over $43,000 in just 1 month. Most of that came after I found PumpZone method. So everyone's hyped about POODLEng, and since I love dogs, I merged them into POODLEng. Short, catchy, and fun. Before we launch the token, head over to Canva and create your logo in real time. Log in, choose Create a design, enter a custom size of 125 by 125 pixels, then drag and drop your funny image into the canvas. Resize it until it looks just right, hit download, and now you're all set to upload your logo in the launch tool. Next, head over to pumpzone.io. This is where I launch everything. Here's my exact setup. In the token name box, enter POODLEng, then symbol field. The total supply is already fixed at 1 billion tokens, so leave that as is. For the description, either paste your pre-written copy or whip one up right here in the editor, then upload the 125 by 125 logo you created in Canva. Scroll down to metadata, paste in your whale address, this gives the token extra appeal, and skip the social links, they rarely move the needle. Next, under authorities, make sure revoke mint, revoke freeze, and revoke metadata update are all switched on. That permanently locks the contract and earns investor confidence. Here's the best part. You don't need to connect your wallet. Just paste your Solana address into the receiver field, click Create Token, and you'll instantly see a payment address and QR code. You can pay from any Solana wallet. I'm sending 0.5 Sol from Phantom. Now, sit tight for 10 to 60 seconds without refreshing or closing the tab. Otherwise, it will cancel and refund your Sol. You'll first see a payment confirmed message, then token creation in progress, and finally, token created successfully. Copy the new token's contract address. That's exactly what we'll use in the next step. Next, click View on SolScan to confirm your meme coin is live on chain, then copy the token address. To add liquidity and make POODLEng tradable, go to radium.io, click Liquidity, create standard AMM, and hit Continue. Under Base Token, paste your token address, enter POODLEng for the symbol and name, then click Add Custom Token. Set the token amount to 900 million. For Quote Token, choose Solana and input 1.4 Sol. Leave everything else as is, set the fee tier to 2%, and click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. Confirm the transaction, and just like that, liquidity is added and POODLEng is live on Radium. Alright, now let's check it live on the charts. Head over to dexscreener.com. You don't need to search for anything. Just take your token address and paste it right into the end of the URL after /Solana/. Alright, here we go. The launch kicks off with those little bot buys, you know how it goes. $1. $2, nothing serious yet, just noise. But I love this moment, the calm right before the storm. And then, boom, the first real move slaps the board. $54. Okay, that's not a test. That's someone stepping in. Oh yes, here it comes. 110, clean, boom. That's the energy I've been waiting for. That's when the bots stop and people lean in. You can feel the shift. And now we've got a 95, back to back with the last one. That's not random, that's pressure. This is when I get hyped, man. You don't get these setups often. 167, let's go. This thing is building fast. That's how a pump starts. Not with one moonshot, but a wave of confident buyers piling in early. Oh, and look, 36 just followed it up. It's keeping tempo. That's perfect. Okay, some red. We've got a 72 sell coming through, then a 54. All right, people cashing early. I don't blame them. Quick flip, nice gain, but the price still holding. No panic. Love to see that. Look at the liquidity. This is already mine. While everyone else is busy chasing green candles, I'm here collecting what really matters. They don't even realize it yet, but they're not buying in. They're paying out, and I'm the one on the other side. Wait, 164 buy, clean entry, right after those exits. That's strength. You don't get that kind of resilience unless people are watching closely. They know what's coming. Here we go again. 100 even, right behind it. These aren't small timers. This is calculated. Everyone wants a piece before it really lifts. Oof. Okay, a couple more sells. 59, then 43. Chart wobbles a bit, but look, it doesn't even flinch. Buyers still in control. And yes, look at that. Another 36 coming in, still pushing, still pressure. Oh wow, 181 just dropped. This thing's heating up fast. And wait, no way, 254. That's massive. That's not a test, that's domination. Someone just went all in. Yeah, this is it. This is where it turns from a quiet launch into a full-on run. And honestly, I love every second of it. But here's where most people get it wrong. They're watching the buys thinking this is all about price going up. They think they're investing, but no. Look at the liquidity. This is what really matters. That's where the money flows. While they're trying to trade their way to profits, I'll show you how the real money is earned, capturing the liquidity, not chasing the chart. So head over to radium.io, click on portfolio, then find the pool. It should show up under standard. You'll see your token pair listed right there. Once it loads, hit the minus button next to it. Okay, now we're removing the full position. Click 100%, then hit confirm. Your phantom wallet will pop up. Approve the transaction and boom, that's it. No waiting, no stress. Tokens out and my precious soul's in. I love this moment. And look at that. Wallet balance just jumped. Almost $1,300 back in. That's real. That's clean. That's what I've been trying to dial in for months. This right here, this is the only method that's working right now. I've tested everything. Trading, too noisy. Bots, too fast. Random meme plays, forget it. PumpZone is the only strategy that's actually giving consistent results. If you launch your own coin and this worked for you, I'm not affiliated with any of these platforms, but I'd really appreciate it if you threw me a couple of sol to help support the channel. My address is in the description below.